Here at Mangaldan National High School, teachers and all the students are all gathered at the lunchroom and waiting for the event to start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Margaret. I'm from
I think the purpose of this mass induction that we celebrate yearly is to introduce all the clubs and officers about their help in the school to make the school look good or to be better.
Next question. As a main member of your club, what is your planned project in your own club that can help our school?
In our club, which is the Kapisan ng Balagtas, we have a project for the Filipino teachers to have their own televisions. It will help them for their teaching so that they would not be so that it would not get hard for them to teach the students.
Also the preparation we've made prior to the induction was the preparation for the programs, to the invitations. We've gathered all the data needed, the name of each advisor and their presidents, as well as the other new clubs and other clubs that was disbanded. And the preparations we've made prior, or yesterday, we prepared the tarpaulin and other designs in the stage for the to make the stage more beautiful and more ano pa bang word? More active in the sight of the people. And we've also trained the MCs to be more active and more lively during their program. Last 2018, the audience became more lively and more active because and participative. They participated in the questions or the games made by the MCs, as well as when they cheer and yell every time a speech or a club was being said or inducted. So that's for me itself. They're ready now to perform their series because since mass induction is the annual ceremony for each interest clubs or each officers to become fully and become what hindi ko masabing word, an active or an official officer of their interest clubs. I think they will, since they are inducted or already, they have the title and they now have their position as their own now. So I think for me, they will perform their series and they will do their best since they pledged the oath in there, because in there the statement, it's according to the statement there, I truly solemnly swear to do my best or do my duties in order to fulfill my fulfill my goals, as well as support and protect the Constitution and bylaws. Like that, through that statement, I'm sure that the officers will truly do their work and do their assigned tasks carefully and truly.
Nobody is born a leader. Leadership is not a quality given at birth. Leaders are not made overnight either. It takes some time to make a good, competent, and dynamic leader. Chosen leaders must really possess the ability to lead, taking the front line of action, because a leader is one who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. Self-confidence Yung self-confidence ay hindi nangangahulugan na kayo ay arrogant. Self-confidence and arrogance is two different things. Ang pagiging self-confidence ay alam niya kung paano gampanan at imalasakit ang kanyang kapwa estudyante.
Dr. Leo E. Blakir, on his inspirational speech, encouraged the students to have self-confidence and should not be ashamed of having self-confidence. The event ended peacefully and successfully. The students and teachers went back to their respective rooms and do their normal routine. Mangaldan National High School is conducting its mass induction every school year. Leaders were gathered for the induction of club officers in order for them to start realizing the objectives of their clubs and also for them to be recognized by the students. July 29, 2019 mark as Red Calendar Day for the club officers.